Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be home real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter.
Hi all, a very good morning. It is a Tuesday today. Yes, it is a Tuesday today. I was planning to shoot the vlog on a weekend, but it didn't end up happening. So I thought I'll do it today. I know I wake up with checking my phone and it's a very bad habit, and I know I'm eventually gonna get rid of it. But because I have office today, I need to, and I wake up very close to my office timing, so I need to check any messages or emails that I may have to update myself with, which is the only reason I check my phone. I don't check Instagram or any other social media when I wake up, so that's great. But yeah, today is a Tuesday, and even though it's a work day, I do want to pamper myself a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys what I have in mind, so stay tuned.
Space makes me sad.
Okay, I just realized that my night suit top from here, shit, this is the only cute first night suit that I have. But I'm gonna change this now.
Space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad.
So we have parathas for breakfast today. This gobi ka paratha, aloo ka, and ye mooli ka paratha. जी हाँ.
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy.
So I'm now sitting down to work. I have my hot coffee. I want to have some. So I have coffee and I'm going to work for a couple of hours, maybe 1 or 2 hours. And then I have something very exciting planned for myself. So stay tuned. Also guys, I started using my mouse. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I was raving about this mouse because it's so cute first of all, and it's a really pretty pebble pink color. It's from the brand called Logitech. So I really like using mouses because I'm like tired of using the keypad, the trackpad of the laptops, and it really hurts. Like it feels like my fingers have ghissoed. So I am really enjoying using the mouse. If you guys want to check it out, I'll mention the link to the mouse in the description box.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be home real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way.
So this is actually what I have planned to pamper myself with today. I set myself up a home spa, which actually I have never done before, so I'm really excited. I tried to do it up in a really cute way. I've got my flowers, some planters, I have put up some candles as well. So I'm really excited for a really nice and warm bubble bath because I really need this. It's been a really long time since I pampered myself. Actually happened to send across their Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub and the Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter, which I am super excited to try because I've heard so much about these products and very excited to give you guys an honest review about it too. the scrub has pure Arabica coffee that helps in exfoliating and polishing your skin. It's also got coconut oil like I mentioned, which obviously softens and nourishes the skin as well. This scrub helps in reducing tan and also targets your strawberry skin. I am just gonna jump in for a regular shower now to rinse off the scrub. The choco butter is actually loaded with cocoa butter, caffeine, argan oil, vitamin E and all of these good things that smell good and help you keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. So that was a super relaxing home spa routine that I treated myself with. It did take a little bit of effort to put all of it together, but once I stepped into that really warm bath, I think it was worth it. So to give you guys an honest review of both the products that I tried, the M-Caffeine Choco Body Butter is actually something that I've been using for a couple of weeks now, and it's super moisturizing apart from the fact that it smells so good and exactly like chocolate. It is a super moisturizing and nourishing body butter, so you can actually include it in your daily home spa routine if that is something you do, or if you have dry skin, this would be really good for you. Talking about the coffee body scrub, to be very honest, this is actually the first time I'm actually trying a scrub out like this. Usually I've used gel based scrubs, or they have like some liquid texture to it, but this was a completely dry scrub and I absolutely fell in love with it. Apart from the fact that it smells like coffee, in fact I'm drinking a cup of coffee right now, and if you guys are one of my OG subscribers, you know how much I love coffee. So this was like heaven sent for me, and I also love the fact that they give it with like a tiny wooden spoon, so it's really easy to take it out from the jar. They do say that it helps in cellulite as well over time. I'm yet to see that effect, but otherwise it helps in reducing tan. Obviously it really makes your skin super soft. In one use I could see the difference. So I loved it. Also, if you guys have been watching my earlier videos, you would know that I am trying to use as many Indian brands that I can that are cruelty free and 100% vegan, and M-Caffeine ticks both of those boxes. In fact, this is also silicone and paraben free, which is an added advantage. So if you guys are interested in picking these up, I'm gonna link the products in the description box so you guys can check it out. Also, if you guys can notice, I did color my hair. I vlogged the entire transformation of before and after. So I shot it like a day before, so I'm gonna put it here for you guys to watch. I am gonna go get my hair colored. This was shot a day before. I'm sure I've already mentioned it in the video, but I haven't colored my hair since almost over a year now. The last time I got my hair colored was in Riva only, sometime in like November sometime. So I am very excited. I'm gonna show you guys what I have in mind. I hope it turns out like that. And I'm gonna have a quick lunch, and then I am gonna head out with my mom to the salon.
Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life.
So something like this is what I have in mind. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'm gonna put it on the screen anyway. But something like a warm brown balayage is what I have in mind. So I hope it turns out like that. Like I'll show you like a before and after properly in the sunlight, so you guys will get a better idea of how my transformation has been. Also, just a quick OOTD check. I'm wearing this crop tee from H&M. It has a really pretty color, it's pink. And these black mango jeans, they are high-waisted and kind of loose and comfortable, which is why I really like them. Along with that, I'm wearing my Adidas sliders, super comfy. So yeah, let's go.
So honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in Infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna be down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get old, hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just alone.
I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
And this is Gagan जिन्होंने करा है कलर रीवा में आई ओनली कम हियर मुझे कलर कराना होता है तो इन केस यू आर फ्रॉम रीवा definitely come to Smart Lady, that's the salon name, and I would highly recommend coming.
Thank you so much, Ishita, and love you for this.
So I'm back home now. It took a little longer than I expected. It took about 3 to 4 hours. I was hoping that I'll be back by before sunset so I can show you guys the hair color in the natural sunlight. But right now I have probably shown you guys stuff on the screen on edit already. But I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to show you guys how it looks in natural sunlight, because that's when you can really see the hair color. But right now I think you can get a glimpse of it. I am definitely liking it a lot. Let's see what happens tomorrow.
Might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that now?
So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. The video might get a little too long and I don't want that to happen. Also, some office work came up after that, so I was mostly busy with that and nothing happening was really happening. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little pampering session, the home spa and the hair coloring. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys liked my hair color. And I know it shows a lot more outdoors than indoors, but I think that's with every hair color that you'll get. So I'm gonna sign off now, and you guys know if you like the video, hit the like, share and subscribe button because it'll mean a lot to me. And the last bit of pampering that I'm gonna do for myself is indulge in some homemade chocolate cake by my mom. I know you guys are gonna ask for the recipe, so I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. I'm gonna mention it. And yeah, I'm gonna sign off now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye.
And while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul, honest you the penny, pick a dull like Chevy, new age Machiavelli, disagree don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good, on the ball like BB.